Hello, I bought this old block maker orbit sender. It's 14 operation per minute, which is 14,000. Basically, it works perfect before I try it because I did research about it. Plus, it's very cheap. It's not a really expensive thing. There's some are cost like about 130, 140, depends. This one is approximately with taxes Canadian dollar, it's $50, so it makes the job. It's good for a homeowner and it works very nice. So I like the orbit 5 modes, which is it's called 5 random orbit sender. So it tells you here. Okay, I'm gonna cut it and show you guys. It works like this. We're gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna try it. You see, it's like in the curve, so it's 127 milli per second. This is you have the included one of the sheets, like the sanding sheets, and we're gonna open it and see what's inside. By the way, it's electric one. It's not battery. I don't like the battery ones. I like electric. So first of all, we got the dust collector here. See, you hook it up, and we got in here a manual with one sheet. So it's like this one. It says P120, so it's great. And you have the manual, which is I don't use. It's pretty good. And I got the orbit sander. It's right in here. It feels like really solid in your hand. I like it. Look, this is the orbit sander. And you have this one. It's very easy touch button. You just go this way. See, very easy. And this is the dust collector here. Put it like this. Yeah, you switch it. That's so it works very easy to go in. It's not something you need to work hard with. It doesn't go this way actually. I don't think, yeah. I think it goes this way, yes. And then we start sanding. So it's pretty good. Let's try it and see how it works. And I think I bought an extra sanding 120 grade 2. It's very cheap, 8 of them. Sorry, it says 8 holes, not 8. So it's 15 discs in there. And it cost me like about 13 bucks, sorry. 13 bucks. So we're gonna try it now. We're gonna see how does it work. Okay, try it without. Oh, you hear it? It's actually solid in your hand. And we put the disc this way. We line it up with all these holes for a dust collection. Very good, right there. And then we go this way, and you do. You press, you can have the adjustment actually of speed by pressing this one. Look, I press a little bit, it goes very smooth, you can't hear it, but if I press hard, it goes really hard. I feel it really solid. Really solid. Stop. It's really solid. For 50 bucks, it's worth it. I'm not gonna lie, it's really worth it. And you have this one, you can hold this and lock it up. To lock it up while you're working in something that you want to take a long time to sand it. So and you have the dust collection here. The reason why I choose electric one, because sometimes I use the battery one and it leaves you until the last minute finishing the job, then you have to recharge the battery. It takes a long time. I prefer cord, that's my opinion, and I hope this video helps you out, guys. Just give it thumbs up and like. Thank you, very appreciated. And it's wonderful tool. According to the money I'm paying for, it's not really bad. I did bought a belt sander, which is I used, but it wasn't working. It wasn't convenient for me, so I had to return it and bring this one back. So I found this one is pretty good. You see here, this area here. Orbit sander. For orbit sander, by the way, you don't need to press and hold or stick in one side. You have to have that movement with it. It's your It's very smooth, very nice, very good. It wasn't really hard sanding. This is great. It was only a light one.